Hey there guys, so I'm going to show you how to, if you missed how to get Kami, the PDF writer. So what you're going to want to do, on your Chromebook you have the apps button, or you can just go through a Google browser, click on your apps because we need to get to the web store. So once you get to the web store, up here in the corner you're going to type Kami, which is K-A-M-I, and go ahead and hit enter. From there, you will have a list of extensions and apparently themes. So this one right here is the one that you want. Now notice on here, when you already have an extension, it's going to have the green box here that says rate it. This is just a reminder of, hey, you already have this. All of your extensions show up here up at the top. I've got quite a few. You can turn them on and turn them off. If you do not have it, it has this add to Chrome function. So once you do this, so up here, Kami, you would click on the add to Chrome, and then it's going to tell you that it's checking to make sure that it's okay. You may have a box pop up asking for, do you want to add this? Hit yes. From there, it's going to ask you something like, you're going to have a screen pop up that says it looks like a black spaceship theme, and it's going to have a big orange box that says sign in with Google. You want to do that. So you're going to go ahead and sign in with your Google account, and then it's going to ask you questions like, are you a student, are you a teacher, what school do you go to? Go ahead and answer those questions. And then what's going to happen, once you finish, I'm going to show you, you're going to have something that looks very similar to this. Now I have the teacher version. Okay, you won't have this create classroom assignment option, but you will have, this is what it looks like once you're done. So what you can do from here, you'll notice here's a little K, the white K in a circle. This is how you can actually access Kami. So it takes you here. So there's a couple ways that we can use this. So if you have something, what this is, it's a PDF, it's an annotation tool. And you can create a blank page you can open something, a PDF that's already in your Google Drive. We are actually going to access this a little bit differently. So we're going to go through here. Let me pick a class here. Okay, so you have these two things. I'm going to go ahead and pick on the magnets one because I haven't done that yet today. So what you'll want to do is you click on this. We're going to use this quite a bit this semester. CK12, like I said, we are going to still utilize their text, but just not through CK12. So here's your title page. Your next page is the publishing stuff. You don't really care about that. This, once you get to like chapter 1 or section 1, and there's the words, and here's your goals, here's your pictures, here's your content, this is where you start caring what it says. Okay, so typically when you open something, there may be up here in the center, it says open with. If yours does not say that, you come over here and click on the little 3 dots that are stacked on top of each other, and you're going to click open in a new window. Once you do that, it's going to look pretty much the same again, but notice that this is a separate PDF, and I now have options to open this with, and I have quite a few here, Kami. Once you do this, then you're going to have all of your tools, and you can close out your ads there. You can utilize all these things. So highlight the text. So we are going to, if you just like select, now it's pink. Okay, so if I want the text, if I want Jean Brainerd PhD to be green, you can change it from there. You can strike through, which is like where you would draw a line through it. So if I do this and hit that, maybe I gotta do it again. There it goes. Okay. Here is your eraser, so you can erase everything that you did, maybe. Okay, or you can undo. There you go. Undo, undo. You can add a text comment. So when I highlight this, it's almost like leaving comments on a Google Doc. So let's try this. Okay. Once you do that, it's going to leave a dot wherever your comment is, okay? They also have other features on here. You can add a text box somewhere on the document. You can draw on the document, okay? So if you need to do whatever. Shapes, you can circle things, you can connect dots, stuff like that. This has the option to where you can open other files that you've been working on. You can share this document, so you can have more than one person working on this at a time. I see this being really useful for us when we're evaluating information for a PBL and you're splitting up the work. You can save it. You can also download it. You can print it to where you print. If I click on print here, I can print the original, which is completely blank, or I can print the one with annotations. And you do have the ability to print it in color, so this might be useful for you. So that's how you're going to use Kami. That's how you get it, and we'll go from there, okay?